Alright, let's check ASAP for the Alright, see me in my work on the post same way.
Talking about that, and I don't think it's a conversation that's going to die down anytime soon. But of course, if there's more conversation about it, we're going to have it right here on the 107s and on all our social media.
At a polyground, checking in. So when the bird's going out to Mom Vic.
On the mother's vehicle, I didn't know it could be done that way too. Tread. So the first me I see it, I guess every day I learn something new. So there is the meter right there. And see me in my work on the post same way, guys. So the mother's vehicle getting its own light connection. So our food truck is located KPH. That's where it's located. There's so them said next week you can get for order your chicken, I guess your soup for your juice. Hey y'all, today was Wednesday. Happy Wednesday to you guys. So guys, my dear little corner shop. I think this is Lisa's place. Yeah, my order food. Yep. Yeah, no, this is a dress, right? I'm with a skirt. Yeah, it's a dress. I have a green slippers and I want a little purple clear bag. Yeah. Now wait for the other.
Try to catch riding dirty in the club before 11 o'clock, like I'm trying to catch it. I'm kinda early. Looking thick, her hair brown and curly. She love the way my ride shining pearly. City boys and she fine and pretty, and the country boys and she fine and pretty. My pockets think it's green as curry, and the ladies know as soon as they see my jewelry.
So guys, this is not my food now. It's Oshin's food.
Listen, Froggy in the building.
Calvary Cemetery.
Now we got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that big Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby, yelling, yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Big felt like
Alright, teeth with piece of the leg. Guys, let's see there. So it's actually a dress underneath. Do this some beat, my guys. You can see the string pop over the side here. So it's a one string dress. It turned into now.
All of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he's paying me when I get back. I'm in LA, both they drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, both they drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, both they drive. I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. On some faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never said you could have it. You needed me. Ooh.
Alright guys, we made some food because me not eat it. So guys, me I consume some chicken back and white rice. So I didn't cook today, I just consume. As I saw earlier, I was on the road. So I hope y'all have been enjoying your Wednesday so far. Oh, as I said guys, me all you consume when I cook today. And it's a come mosquito come in, so the window them a flock up and curtain off a drop. Yeah. Alright, let's check ASAP for any packaging. What is a shutdown? There's no one charge. The battery dead. I'm gonna plug out the phone. Alright, so I'm gonna plug in the charger, guys. Alright, ASAP. Alright, so incoming 0. Ready to pick up some packages not there as yet. So I'm gonna check my card next time. Alright. Milagot. I feel dehydrated. I gotta drink some water, some agua. So guys, I know my come to realize when I eat melons, I know melon is a water fruit. I feel fuller for a long time, but when I drink this water or normal water, I have to like constantly be drinking water to feel like my thirst is quenched. But if me eat even one piece of melon, my thirst quench. I want to think that I'm 2 minutes. So I have seen your comments, whether it's under the vlog or it's under a post that I made. I see your comments. Keep your positive comments coming. Alright, remember to share the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for Amanda's reality. Yeah, so let us stay, guys. So musically chillaxing. Till the time it's 5:23 p.m. So if y'all don't close your windows as yet, go close on the window. Mosquito I go come in and bite on us, so close on the window. Yeah. It's so dark in here, guys. So guys, I'm outside. I take a cool breeze. So me close the room windows and the kitchen window. Now me outside. So why me outside? And I didn't tell my mosquito actually ready to start bite you. Look at me come out here for get some mosquito bites. I don't say me I go cool out. What you cool? Out here, I can't take it out here the mosquito then, but you know, taking as much of the cool breeze as possible before I go back inside. Oh god. Oh, for the nice sky. I'm gonna show you the nice sky. Yeah, see that lovely night sky. So I can go back in. I can't deal with the mosquito. I don't know if them have chicken gunia. I don't know the mosquito carry, so I'm going back in. Guys, the moon did a peep out a little bit, you know. When they catch it, but I end up have to delete it. So I'm gonna try catch it back again, but it gone back in. So I can come inside.